Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today we have to discuss seeing about one-dimensional wave equation. This is third model. Okay, this is very important. One-dimensional wave equation, and another one is one-dimensional heat equation. So these two are the very important. Okay, so now we are discussing about one-dimensional wave equation. So that is, consider a fixed consider a flexible string tightly stretched between two fixed points at a distance L. Let rho be the mass per unit length of the string. Okay, we shall assume the following: the tension T of the string is small throughout. The effect of gravity can be ignored due to large tension T. The motion of the string is in small transverse vibrations. Okay, so now this is the diagram. So here x-axis and y-axis, you take, this is the curve. This is example. So this is the string, and here stretched this string is that you take the tangent is T2. So okay, this T1 and T2 is the tangent, A and B are the very important, and here B is the angle between of this one. So these are the y and x. This is the on x-axis. Okay, take here, let us consider the forcing acting on a small element AB of length delta x. Let T1 and T2 be the tensions at the points A and B. Since there is no motion in the horizontal direction, the horizontal components T1 and T2 must cancel each other. Okay, so therefore that is T1 into cos alpha is equal to T2 into cos beta is equal to capital T. So this is the equation number 1. So now, second, next you can continue this one. So this is where alpha and beta are the angles made by T1 and T2 with horizontal. Vertical components of tension are T1 into sine alpha and T2 into cos beta, where negative sign indicates, so this is minus T1 into sine alpha. So this negative sign indicates T1 directed to downwards. Hence the result force acting vertically upwards is T2 into sine beta minus T1 into sine alpha. So in this equation we can apply Newton's second law of motion. Second law is force is equal to mass into acceleration. That is T2 sine beta minus T1 sine alpha is equal to rho into delta x into u of dt. So now rho into dx means what? Rho into delta x means is the mass of the element portion AB, and utt represents acceleration. Okay, divide throughout by the capital T. Okay, so throughout by the capital T. So we get the equation is, so that equation is, so whole divided by capital T. So that is, so okay, here T2 divided by T1 into sine beta is equal to T1 divided by T into sine alpha plus rho divided by T into delta x dou square u by dou t square. Using equation 1, that is T1 divided by T is equal to 1 divided by cos alpha, and or T2 divided by T is equal to 1 divided by cos beta. So using this equation, that is sine beta by cos beta, so minus sine alpha by cos alpha is equal to rho by T into delta x into dou square e by dou t square. Or sine by cos means tan beta, so minus sine alpha by cos alpha means tan alpha is equal to rho by T into delta x into dou square u by dou t square, called as equation 1. But tan beta and tan alpha represent the slope at b of x plus delta x and a of x respectively. Therefore tan beta is equal to dou u divided by dou x of x plus delta x, and tan alpha is equal to dou u by dou x into x. So or we can call it as dou u by dou x into dou u by dou x of x plus delta x minus dou u by dou x into x is equal to rho by T into delta x dou square u by dou t square, divide by delta x, divide by delta x and delta y. Okay, so delta x and delta y. So now we get, so this one. So then apply the limit delta x tends to 0. So limit delta x tends to 0, dou u by dou x of x plus delta x minus dou u by dou x of x whole divided by delta x is equal to rho by t into dou square u by dou t square. Then dou square u by dou x square is equal to rho by t into dou square u by dou t square, or t by rho is equal to c square we get. Therefore dou square u by dou t square is equal to c square into dou square u by dou x square, or utt is equal to c square into uxx. Okay, so this is the wave equation in one dimension. This is very important. Okay, so this notes is I will send in your group also, in your WhatsApp group also. Just you can check this television. Okay, thank you.